So before we get into this video, make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, make sure to hit that bell and turn on post notifications so you're notified every time we drop a video. And we can drop it any time, like dropping right now. So with that being said, man, I know we did the as funny as it get, you know what I'm saying, little segments. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back in and do another little as funny as it gets segment. Just the titles kind of changed a little bit. But before we get into this video, man, they want us to believe their content's real, man. So we're going to react to their content like it's real.
Yo, you are gorgeous. Yo, you want me to take some pictures of you? What's up? You look good.
I'm sorry. I'm not interested.
You're not interested in some pictures?
Yeah, you could take a couple photos of me, I guess.
I mean, like, once I take them, you mind if I grab your Snapchat? I saw you on Snapchat, so, like, that's my, you know what I'm saying?
No, I'm sorry. I'm not into you.
All right, so the homeboy say something about Snapchat. Did he say, I seen you on Snapchat or... All right, so let me get this right. Shorty's in the cut, right? Shorty's in the cut posted up, taking pictures. So he approaches talking about, what's up? Can I take some pictures of you? Something about, I seen you on Snapchat or... How you approach somebody, you just meet somebody, but you just see him on Snapchat. Is that what he said? Hold on, let's continue watching this stuff, man. You met somebody, but you...
Huh? No, you don't gotta be into me. I'm just trying to like get to know you a little bit, you know. Maybe after you get into me. No, you're not always, you know what I'm trying to say.
You're just like a little bit creepy. I'm
a little
just
creepy.
Wait,
what?
Some photos. That's it. You know.
How am I a little creepy for the gram?
Yeah.
I mean, you look good for the gram right now. Like, you mind if I hop in there? I feel like I'll make it look better. You know what I'm saying?
No, I think that's. I don't think.
Nah, hold on. I'll just.
Respectfully, I'm sorry.
Okay, I'll let you take some pictures.
All right, and another thing. So, you mean to tell me you ain't gonna say no? You ain't gonna say nothing about anybody leaning on your $300,000 plus car. You most definitely gonna say something about somebody leaning on your $300,000 plus car, man. Like she basically telling you the average person gonna do this. If they come and somebody is leaning on their whip taking a picture and they can't get the number, can't holler at the person ain't dissing them, the average person gonna say, man, get your ass off my car. That's my car. Get your ass off my car. That's what the average person gonna say. But no, not these niggas. These niggas run up on people in park garages to where the car's ducked off in a location. They run up on people and allow people just to sit and lean on their $300,000, $400,000 Lamborghini Urus without them even knowing them, and they sit there and watch them lean on it. Like, come on. A motherfucker get mad if you step on a $150 or $200 pair of Jordan, bro. Think a nigga's not finna be mad if you lean on a $300,000 car? Come on now.
You're just no.
No? I'll let you take some pictures. Don't worry. Take your time.
Oh, thanks.
I'm gonna grab water though. Huh? I mean, you are on my car, so I mean, I was just gonna wash for a bit, but. Yeah, what? Oh shoot, my gun fell.
Oh, can I have a piece of gum?
You want a piece of gum? Yeah, I got you. Hold on, give me a second. Damn, I can't get out. Here, let's try it. It's pretty good. It's alright. It's not 5 gum.
I really like your hat.
You like my hat? Thank you. You like the little kitty cat?
Yeah, I
that's
love
just one of my cats back at home.
Oh my god, that's so funny. I love cats.
You do?
So you mean to tell me that they gonna go from Shorty gonna go from nah, I'm cool, I take my own pictures, to dude gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna sit here and watch her take pictures, and she's not gonna think it's strange that dude's gonna sit here and watch her take pictures. Alright, so she leaving to get your car though. She leaving to get your whip. And she for some reason don't know that it's your whip, but she is comfortable with taking a picture by this car with you standing right there looking at her like this. And she don't know you, and y'all in a parking garage, and it's just y'all two in a parking garage. Deep in the cut where nobody else is at. And she's cool. And then all of a sudden, they really get cool because they go to the whip, and she goes to the whip with them, and now they chewing on some damn gum. Just chatting it up, like, in the back of the parking lot, back of the parking garage. Everything all good now, shit. They get back in there chewing on some damn gum. Everything cool.
Do?
Yeah,
Ready?
I do.
How many?
What?
How many cats?
How many cats do I like?
How many cats do you have?
Oh my god, I have 2.
You have 2? Oh, I do too.
They're
What the heck?
funny.
Wait, what color are they? I don't know anything about breeds. I just like go by color.
Yeah, mine is black and brown. It's
That's
like a little
cute.
marble.
That's cute.
Super
One of mine
cool.
is gray, and the other one's like a white creamy. I don't know how to say it.
Oh my
It's
god,
weird.
our cats should meet one day.
For real? Wait, are they boys or girls?
They're boys.
Mine too.
Really?
They're
No.
probably fight. No, they're probably fight.
Oh my god, so you have a really nice car.
Thank you, thank
yeah,
you.
I mean, my Instagram's gonna love it.
You understand? Oh, I mean, you already took some pictures, right? But like,
Yeah, you'll actually, you can get in. You can get in a couple of them.
no, I'm good. I'm good. I don't want to ruin your pictures. You know what I'm saying? But what are you doing tonight? Like, you free?
Yeah, I am free.
Cause like,
All right, look though. So, peep this, man. So, well, I guess they ain't in the parking garage. Plus, I know I ain't gonna say I know the location as far as if I been there, but I've seen this location before. I've seen this location in other people's videos and shit. So yeah, but peep this, man. So you mean to tell me this? Now all of a sudden everything's all good and plus it's nighttime. Like I don't know if y'all can see in the background, but it's nighttime. So you mean to tell me that Shorty gonna be walking through there? You know what I'm saying? Nighttime, and you know he gonna just be walking to his car at that particular time, and no, I don't see no cars. I don't see no people. I don't see no cars. What these niggas off road underneath a bridge or something in a cut? You know what I'm saying? Like you know, like underneath the bridge, underneath the subway or something. Is that what these niggas is at? Like in a parking space. You never see nobody else but just them two. Let me know what you think about this, man. You know what I'm saying? But Lurkz, this nigga, hey, y'all was asking for me to do this nigga Lurkz, man. Hey.
you look good next to this car.
Oh
Hold on,
my
come
God,
over here.
Thank you. You're too
Come over
sweet.
here. No, you look good. Let me get a spin.
Aw.
Can I get a spin for the car?
Yes, of course you can.
You gotta do reverse one now. I have to see reverse. All right, you look good. You look good. I just wanted to make sure my eyes were deceiving me. You look good. Here, hold on, come
Thank
over.
you.
Check out the car real quick.
Yeah, let me see it.
You look good.
That's really nice.
Thank
How much
you.
money is this car?
Brand new, like 300 grand.
Oh my
around there.
god. Wow.
It's like a house or something. I don't know. It's nice. It's a moving house in my opinion. It's nice. It's a good daily.
Wow. Oh my
Sit
god.
down, sit down. You're good, you're good.
I love the design of it. Oh
like
my
it?
gosh.
Yo, you look good in it. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Thank
100%.
you.
You look good with it.
Thank you so
But
much.
I mean, so like, you trying to hit like a McDonald's or something? Like, what you trying to eat? Like,
I was like thinking maybe like a restaurant. You know,
restaurant?
like candlelit dinner.
okay. I mean, you look like you're dressed for one, so it's like,
Yeah,
damn.
exactly.
So,
It's like I'm already ready.
I don't know. I mean,
You could see. You seem like you can afford it and stuff.
it's not that I can't. It's just like, I don't know. Like, you know, first day, like McDonald's thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, quick little dollar menu.
And then, do I look like a McDonald's type of girl?
I mean, you don't, but like, I'm crazy.
Look, man. look. Both of you motherfuckers look like y'all eat McDonald's, man. I know if Will Bell eat McDonald's, you motherfuckers eat McDonald's, man. Plus, two y'all niggas kicking with Subby TV, and plus you kicking with Subby TV and motherfucking Fresh Panda and shit. You niggas is eating some motherfucking McDonald's, man. But, what y'all think about Lurkz, man? Look, what y'all think about Lurkz, man? You know, comment below in the comment section, man. Let me know what you think about your boy Lurkz, man. Hey, this is what y'all want. This is what y'all want. And one Diggy react to Lurkz, man. Here's Lurkz, man.
Crave McDonald's, let me be honest with you. But I can drop.
How about this? We go out to this candlelit dinner,
Okay.
and you can stop at McDonald's after, and I'll get a McFlurry or something. But
McFlurry?
let's just go to the nice little
Dessert.
dinner.
Wait, so if I don't get anything at the restaurant, am I gonna still pay for you? Like,
I mean, are you a gentleman?
okay. I mean, I just.
I mean, you can still
okay,
do
hold on.
that.
I just opened your door. Does that answer your question?
I mean, yes, but you just asked that question.
No, you're right. No, but all right. I'm gonna be honest with you. All right, how about we do this then? How about I drop you off at the little dinner you want to do?
Alone?
Yeah, alone. Well, you can go find some other guy there.
Well, I wanted to spend some time with you.
Huh? Well, I mean, you look good. Don't get me wrong. Hold on, get out real quick.
Wait, why am I getting out?
So I can talk to you.
Just going.
We were gonna go, but I don't know. I'm not really into girls that just like. You kind of like. So hold on. Let me get it straight. Why'd you like switch up on me?
All right, so peep it. So you mean to tell me, right? You mean to tell me that you do all of that, do the picture thing, let them get in the car, let them sit in the car, do that, just to ask them why they switch up on you, like, and you mean to tell me that it's just y'all two niggas, just y'all two niggas out there, ain't no life nowhere in that motherfucker, man, like. Plus two, motherfuckers be looking around. If you really people, the motherfuckers be looking around to see if anybody coming. Almost like they rushing to try to hurry up and get the whip back or go back in there to work, because it seemed like I said, it seemed like they on their lunch break, man, making gold dig videos and shit, man. Is what it seemed like.
You kind of didn't want me at first. What's going on?
I was just caught off guard.
Off guard?
Really,
I mean, you were on my car, like you were
I
sitting.
feel like sometimes it takes a little bit of time to get to know somebody.
Okay,
and
okay.
I think, we bonded.
How about I
over
get to
our
know you
cats and
outside?
stuff.
The cat thing was cute. I'm agree.
I really like
that cat
your
thing was cute.
outfit, and your chain's so cute.
Thank you. But I'm gonna be honest with you. How about, honestly, I don't even want to drop you off there. I was gonna be nice to you, but I don't really like gold diggers. You know what that is? Like,
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm not into them. That's just me. That's just me personally. I'm not into
I
them.
feel like you cut me all wrong.
Oh, wrong? No, I got you
No,
right.
no.
And if I'm being 100% honest, I need to clean.
I volunteer. I'm a good person.
You're pretty.
I swear.
I'm sorry, you're pretty. I let you sit in my car, so now I gotta clean that seat because you stank it up because you're a gold digger. So I need to wash and everything.
Okay.
Look at your fingerprints. Those are your hands right there.
What are you talking about? Is that some other girl's hand?
That's your girl. That's your
You do
hands.
this all the time?
Nope.
You see us girls trying to exploit them?
Exploit them. You just.
What is this?
You exploited
Genuinely,
yourself.
What is this?
You exploited yourself. I'm so confused. You exploited yourself.
I ain't gonna lie, so it do look like this video he got it more together than his other videos, because most of his other videos they be all over the place, all whacked out. Girls be hitting them and fighting, and they, you know what I'm saying? Because the last little videos we did, a girl jumped on his back, and she can't do nothing. A girl jumped on his back, and then she jumped down and she tried to punch him. She tried to hit him with like a quick little weak ass 2 or 3 piece. But he had the door unlocked, you know what I'm saying, and he had the windows down and shit. So he said he tightened it up a little bit, but shit crazy. It's shit crazy, man. Anyways, what y'all think about this shit?
You tried to act like you were my friend. That you wanted to take me out, and now you're switching up like
I did want to take you out, but then I thought about it, and you're a whole gold digger. I don't know what else to tell you. Like, so at first you didn't want me. You said I wasn't your type. I don't even know what you said. You're like, you're a creep, this and that. I let you take pictures on my car respectfully. I was like, I'll just watch you take pictures.
We were bonding. We were getting there.
Yeah, we were. But then I figured out that it just went downhill when I found out you're a gold digger. So I'm gonna have to scoot your hand out of there.
No, stop. Let's start over.
Start over? Well, there is no starting over. Once I know a girl's a gold digger, I don't want her. I don't know what to tell you.
Let's start over.
Start over from where?
Let's get back in the car. Let's take a stroll. Let's go to McDonald's, honestly. Let's just relax in the car, okay?
Nah.
Let's take a little stroll.
I'd rather go to that fancy dinner with some other girl. How about that?
All right, so here's the whole thing, right? We ain't finna talk about the camera, because, they can't look in the direction of the camera. Here's the whole thing, man. You mean to tell me you're gonna what? You're gonna get in your car and to get some gum, close the driver's side door, talk outside, let her in the passenger side seat, right? Tell her she a gold digger, passenger seat. She get out, you close the door, basically talk, go back to the driver's side door to try to get in. You get in a little bit, she walks away, you move your hand, only for you to not close the door, only for you to get back out and stand by your door to mess with your phone and talk to this person. Bro, it's not that deep, man. That's the video, bro. Not that deep at all.
So, go ahead and take a hike, and
Are you serious?
yeah, you're a gold digger.
Pathetic.
How's that pathetic?
This is my choice now. I don't even want to go with
Your
you anymore.
choice. It's
Clearly, this must be a rental. So
a rental.
That's embarrassing for
Okay.
you.
I mean,
What is this? What is? I don't even know. No.
what?
No.
You good?
Yeah.
Is it because you're a gold digger? Well, it's fine because I exposed you anyways. There's a camera over there somewhere. Oh, I see him right there. There's a camera over there. So
What the F is this?
Basically, homeboy could have avoided this whole problem if his little punk ass would have taken off, right? But other than that, so Shorty looked at the camera, and then he said, well, there's the camera, by the way. Then she turned back around, looked directly at the camera again, and said, what the heck? Like, she gave the nigga that cue for the camera cue, like, that's the camera. I guess that was the camera cue. Now, I just want to say that just before we even got into all this little extracurricular or whatever they about to do, or whatever lame shit they about to do, because plus the homeboy still ain't got in the whip. You know what I'm saying? He's still hanging on the door. So let's see where this shit go.
No. Cut the cameras. Stop that. Delete that now.
What camera?
Delete that now. Delete
you're tripping.
that now.
What are you talking about?
Stop.
Yo, are you okay? Hey, wait, come back. No, come back.
No.
What?
John Quinones shit?
What is John Quinones?
What would you do?
What would you do? What would you do? I just caught you being a gold digger. What are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do now? I just caught you being a gold digger. What are you gonna do now?
It's all wrong.
No. I'm John.
gold digger.
I'm John Quesadilla, whatever you said. What are you gonna do now? I just caught you. Go tell the camera. What are you gonna do now? Yo, zoom in on her face. What are you gonna do now? Yeah, that's what I thought.
All right, and once again, so now it's all cool. He's like, "What are you gonna do now?" I caught you, but basically, but he's like, "Yeah, zoom in on her face." You know, she did tell him he has to delete that, right? But now all of a sudden it's all good. All of a sudden she's just flicking the camera off and smiling, walking towards the camera. It's all cool. So this shit hilarious, man. She snapped, "Oh, delete that right now," and then but it turned into it being all cool at the end to where ha just for last jokes, and I didn't know the camera is there. Anyway, man, what y'all think about this, man? Leave a comment in the comment section. Make sure to go to Wallz Production Live and subscribe to that channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Also share this video. The more you share this video, the more people that we can get to grow our platform. And make sure to like, comment, and hit that bell. Turn on post notifications and subscribe. I'm messing with you. But we are out to the next one.